Hello guys, welcome once again. Uh, Now I will show you how to use radio buttons and checkboxes into your program. So for example, we have the employee info JFrame which we have created earlier. In this we have some information of the employee like his employee ID, his name, surname and age. And now we want to add one more information of the employee into our program, which is gender. So for example, he may be male or female. So I will add a radio button or checkbox to decide whether he is a male or female. So let's get started. So first of all, make a label and name it as gender, and then go to your palette and take a radio button and place it before your gender, and I will name my radio button as male. First is male, and similarly I will take one more radio button for female, and I will name it as, so I have taken two radio buttons and one is male and one is female. So now when I run the program, and when I click male, it's clicked, and when I click female, it's also clicked. But I don't want that. I want only one, either male or female should be clicked, not at the both at the same time. We don't want that. So either male or female should be clicked when we click either of them. So how to do that? What we have to do is go to your palette and take a button group and drag into your JFrame. So when you leave the button group into the JFrame, you cannot be able to see where is your button group. It's hidden in the JFrame. So don't worry about it, we will use it when required. So now you click mail and go to its properties, and in the properties you can see here is an option called button group. Go to its combo box, and this is our button group 1. So just select it. I have selected button group 1, and similarly go click your female radio button and also go to its property, go to button group and select your button group 1. So this is the same button group we have dragged into your JFrame. So for example, if you drag one more button group into your JFrame, and when you click female and when you click here, you have two button groups, but we want only one button group in our program. So you can see when you click female, you can see they are grouped in a group number 1. So now when you run the program, and when you want to select female or male, I want to select female for example, and then when I click male, my female radio button is automatically unselected. So in this way I can only select one option, either male or female. So you can use this technique whenever you have so many radio buttons to use and you want that only one radio button is selected at a time. So this is about using radio buttons. In a similar way you can also use check boxes. There is no difference in check boxes and the radio buttons other than the appearance. So they can also be used like same. So for example, I have I have 4 check boxes here, and I know I have 2 button groups. One I have assigned to this, and second I want to assign to this 4 check boxes so that only one can be selected at the same time. So I will select 1, 2, 3, 4 by my control button, pressing my control button and selecting. I will right click, go to the properties, and I will go to the button group property, and I will click button group 2. So these 4 are connected with the help of button group 2, and now when I run the program, I can select only one at a time. And if you don't want to use button group, you can remove it also. So it's not necessary you have to use it, but if your program requires to select only one option at a time, then you can use button group. So that's for all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial I will tell you how to add these checkboxes with your database. So whenever you click this, the male option will go into your database, and whenever you click this button, female option will go into your database. So that's all for now. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye.